Get ready to show off your patriotic spirit with our United States themed DIY wreath tutorial. Using affordable materials, I'll guide you through creating a stunning wreath perfect for Memorial Day and Independence Day celebrations. Whether you're a crafting beginner or an experienced DIY enthusiast, this easy step-by-step tutorial is designed for all skill levels to enjoy. Decorate your home with pride and honor the USA with this patriotic decoration. Let's get crafting and make our home shine red, white, and blue. But before we get started, hi there, my name is Mary Ellen, and this is my YouTube channel. Life is messy, but I'm learning as I grow. Please take a moment to subscribe so you never miss one of my daily videos. Share this video with someone you think that would enjoy it, and your comments are always appreciated, so please leave me a bunch. You can also support my channel by checking out the shop links on this video. I have included all of the supplies you need to make what we're getting ready to make. So if you're looking for something, especially something hard to find, check there. All right, now let's get this party started. so much for watching till the end of the video. I hope you have a great day. And if you want to watch more videos, you can watch this one over here in the corner next. And don't forget to subscribe, which you can do here. And also, if you're interested, I do have several books for sale, which I have linked down there. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget, I have memberships available for only 99 cents a month, and you get 300 videos that only members get access to, plus early exclusives. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you hit the follow button so you don't miss any of my daily uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.